Imagine a world where trucks drive themselves, drones drop off your packages, and warehouses run 24/7 with barely any human involvement. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's already happening. In today's video, we're rediving into how AI is transforming transportation and logistics, and why it's changing the way goods and people move across the globe. Let's start with one of the most talked about breakthroughs: self-driving vehicles. AI-powered cars, trucks, and delivery vans are already on the road. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Aurora are developing autonomous driving systems that can navigate highways, avoid traffic, and even make split-second decisions to prevent accidents. In the logistics world, autonomous trucks are especially promising. They can drive long distances without rest, reduce fuel consumption through smarter driving, and help ease the ongoing truck driver shortage. We're still a few years from fully driverless fleets becoming mainstream, but pilot programs are already moving cargo across states with safety drivers just supervising. Next up, route optimization. AI doesn't just move vehicles, it tells them the best way to move. Traditional delivery routes were often planned manually, based on general geography and past experience. But now, AI logistics platforms analyze real-time data, traffic, weather, road closures, and delivery windows to create ultra-efficient routes. This means faster deliveries, less fuel usage, and fewer delays. It's a huge win for companies and customers. Ever wonder how your same-day delivery got to you so fast? AI probably planned the route. Behind every online order is a massive network of warehouses, and AI is changing how they operate too. In smart warehouses, robots powered by AI pick, pack, and sort items at lightning speed. They navigate aisles, lift heavy loads, and even work side by side with human staff. Amazon, for example, uses fleets of robots to move inventory. Other companies use AI-powered inventory systems to predict demand and restock in real time. No more empty shelves or overstock. Plus, AI cuts down errors, speeds up shipping, and helps warehouses run 24/7 with minimal downtime. Now let's talk drones. Not for fun, but for fast delivery. Companies like Zipline and Amazon are already using AI-guided drones to deliver medicine, food, and small packages. In remote areas, drones are delivering life-saving supplies in under 30 minutes. As drone regulations catch up, we'll start seeing more packages dropped onto doorsteps from the sky, guided entirely by machine learning and GPS. Combine that with AI dispatch systems and predictive delivery windows, and the future of logistics looks fast, flexible, and fully automated. So what does all this mean? AI is making transportation and logistics smarter, faster, and more reliable than ever before. From self-driving trucks to delivery drones and automated warehouses, the way we move things is being completely reimagined. And the best part, we're just getting started. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech and future content, and let us know in the comments, would you trust a self-driving truck with your next delivery? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.